Good limbula people, good limbula. Welcome back to another vlogs. Today's vlog is about by myself. Going to the farm by myself. Let's see what I do today. And the rest of the boys are going to their farm too. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. The 1st of July. Yeah, join us. Odi, nada? Oh, which one ki finish? Compras maybe? Eh? Papa, later. Oi, me going to the farm. You too? Okay. See you later. This is the old footpath that we already did in some vlogs from Ura. Yeah, it's good. This is the road to the farm too, from my farm. It's going down like this beside us and then go up. So let's go. See you there. And the weather today, people, it's a little bit cloudy. This morning is a little bit rainy. And yeah, it's good time to stay in the farm. It's cloudy. Rather than have sun, when you have a lot of grogs, then he could go and fight with the sun at the farm. Only the sun nga go. No, you open the sun because it's hot. Okay, people. This is the weather like. This is all over that side. It's been cloudy. You can see in the far distance, you can see one bamboo over there. One bamboo up there. That's my dad's bamboo. Rough. He's putting out his fishing net over here. Goes up there. You can see the white marks over there. That's the fishing net marks, like a poi. Yeah, down to over there, to that bamboo. But the weather is so rainy today. It's a good time to stay in the farm. And one thing too, people, when you go to the farm, when it's cloudy, you can do so much thing. Because they like the weather, it's cloudy, lots of wind. You can stay in the forest for a long time. Many things you can do. You can never be inside when it's cloudy, with no sun, with rain only. That's so lovely when you're in the farm, doing like that. So yeah, let's see what we will do today at the farm. See you there. So people, we're nearly there. I'm at the farm group. I'm at the farm. Maybe at the farm. See ya. So people are at my farm now. It's like 15 minutes to 16 minutes. So yeah, 20 minutes. 20 minutes walk to the farm. And let's take a look for my farm. This is some taro that I planted from last week. Yeah, before the wedding. Hope it goes up there. Yeah. And people, today too, like this year is the first time for me to plant yams in my own farms. Like we usually do in Ura's vlog. Like we usually plant yam at my dad's farm. So last week I already planned my save to God. The first thing that I plan for God, like when it's 7 month, we usually to take things to take to the God in Fijian style, in Fijian way, not style base. Yeah, and this is massive. I already planted last week, and I hope God. I already say good morning to him. They say you should come and say good morning to them. Yeah, and this is my other farm, just beside the just beside my farm. It's just near. I planted here for the like the Moturiki Island. All of the Moturikis want like each of people should have 20 tero for the conferences. If you didn't know conference, what this means, it's like a big church. Yeah, it's like Tartals bosses. I think so, if I'm right. Yeah, this is some tero there. It's mature, but I just leave it with the grass so it can harmonize the lands over there. Yeah. So it's a big challenge for me to have my own farm yam this year. That is my first battles for this year. Because like when we plant our seed in Fijian way, we usually fight who's become the first one, who have the biggest yams in it. So like I usually say on Ura's vlogs, on yams vlogs, because I think when I plant yams with my dad and Ura, my yams just become not big enough, just bigger than Ura's yams. But I don't know. But when I used this year for my first yam farming at my farm, I think mine is gonna be the bigger one, bigger yam this year. So yeah, let's hope. So people, today's work at the farm is we are gonna plant some seeds. Like last month I went to nursery and then bought some seed from the seed supermarket somewhere in nursery. Yeah, today we're gonna just get it off from just plant seeds together today. Yeah, let's see. So people, this is some seeds that I bought from nursery. Let's see, let's find out. Over here we have some cucumber seeds. It's cucumber, and the other one is long bean, class of 614, quality seeds. It's 350. No, 6. Yeah, I don't know what's tasting about this. Oh yeah, I should know it's seeds with a long bean and the name. And over here we have some eggplant, purple juice. And the other one is cabbage, the famous cabbage, Chinese cabbage, hot hop tea. And people, that's the seeds that we're gonna play. What's up, bro? And that's the seeds we're gonna plant today. By the cabbage we have to plant and then replant. I don't know what to say. Yeah, like we imbuvinas, then we talades, then we days. Yeah, plant, replant, then we eat. The long bean seeds we just gonna plant it straight with cucumber, cucumber too. We're gonna plant this. The eggplant and the cabbage, we're gonna plant it and then replant it. Yeah, like we move in and then we plant. Yeah. So let's go. Time to get the farm. This is the first step people planting. You have to make the pumpkin before you start planting. So this is people where we're gonna plant the seeds, the cabbage and the eggplant over here because we're gonna make from this kind of seeds. We're gonna put in us and then we're gonna plant. When this can raise a little bit bigger on this one, then we just plant. So now people, it's time for focus. Focus time guys. Yeah, it's time to do so nicely. Take away the stone, the debris. Nice, time for the seeds. Chinese cabbage. This is it people. It's time for the cabbage to go in. Look at the seeds. You can see it nice. Time to put the seeds on. Well, the cabbages just like took 3 weeks for the cabbage to be harvested. It's kind of good too, people. We can make money on planting seeds. That's it. Because now in the village, it's hard to fund cabbage and everything like that for the fish, for the sea things, the youngs to be well with. But yeah, this is the cabbage. You can see it nicely. You can see the seeds at the soil. Yeah, let's see what time we're gonna come and replant it again. And now people, it's time for the eggplant to dig. So we're gonna go and start dig for the eggplant. Just beside the cabbage, so they can breathe the same air and then stay in the same soil. And let's see. Yeah. So people, already dig for the eggplant. So now the seed is ready to go to the soil. Here's the soil. I already take out some rocks from it, all the rocks, but now soil by himself and ready for the seeds to eat the soil. Now time to cut the packet of the seeds. Look at the seeds, people. It have two packets. One package when you open it, the eggplant. There's another one inside. It's good they take care of the seeds. Cut. Yeah. Look at the seeds. Look at the seeds, people. Eggplant seeds. Now the eggplants. It's time for the eggplant to go to the soil. That's how you do it. Holy shit. Yeah, that's the seed. You can see it nicely. Yeah. So people, that's the technique. My technique when I plant seeds. Yeah. Then I don't know, some of other people they have another technique. Some people they Venus and they put the coconut leaves on top. I don't know what is the meaning of to put the the coconut leaves on top of the seeds that we already put it out. When it's look like this, and they cover the thing with the coconut leaves. But me, different techniques. Me go by the bubble thing. All your job is to put it on the soil. The grow and the everything is from God. Yeah. But now it's time for a suki break. When you get sweat like this, and one suki, when you lock it like this, ooh, take you to heaven. Yeah. So people, it's time to move on to the two last seeds. 2 pack of seeds that's left. Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna weeding. Yeah, weeding. I'm gonna weeding. I'm gonna weeding and then plant the seeds. So yeah, let's go, people. For now, people, already with the place where to plant the cucumber and the long bean. I forgot it again. So already weeding over here. There goes to over that side. Already weeded. So the things, people, I can plant the seeds today because the grass are so thick. If the grass is good, we can just clean where we to put the plants to. But now it's the cassava leaves, the stem, the wood. It's hard to, so we're gonna leave it and then wait for the thing to go down. Grass and the thing to be mandus, and then we're gonna plant the seeds when it's brown, the leaves and everything. So it can be easy. Work smart. So yeah, let's see. We will. I will show you everything when it's harvesting time. Everything that I show you today. Yeah. But right now, people, I'm still at the farm. I'm just gonna go and get some wild taro. Just plant some wild taro. The son of the mommy taro. We're gonna plant some wild taro because taro too is like a usually thing when you stay like this in the village. The most important things, if you are boys, you staying in your own village, this is the most thing you should have. Taro, cassava, because taro, when there is a function of the village, thing function like that, taro is the most important thing. If something happened to other village, somebody die, or somebody get wedding, or a birthday party, like you have to take taro as a boys. Taro for the function, for the wedding. Yeah, if you the boys stay in the village, you should have taros. Like a bundle, one bundle of taro, you can take it to the wedding. So yeah, that's compulsory in all Fiji. You should have taro because it's like a mangiti for every party, every function happening in the village. Maybe in Fiji too. Yeah, in Fiji, both. Yeah, that's it, people. This is it, people. For now, people, I got the bag of wild plants to plant, and yeah, that's what I think. You can when the pigeon function happening like this. For me, even for me, it's hard for me to go like this to a function that I didn't bring anything to it. Yeah. So you have to work hard. Yeah. So today we're gonna look for some coconut to take it home. Because one thing about coconut is the most thing in Fijian food. Lots of things we use it for. Different kind of fish makalolo. Oh, lots of things. Fish makalolo. Everything goes with the lolo. It's coconut. Coconut make that thing yum. Even the fish with lolo. Ooh, very yum. So coconut is the most common thing in Fijian food. Miti ika, cabbage with lolo, tin fish, everything like that goes with coconut milk. I already checked this coconut tree. There's nobody coconut is on down. I think somebody already in here. Look for some coconut. Yeah. So let's go check that side of the coconut. It's my Maybe. So let's go. Keep on finding coconuts. Keep looking. Let's check this side. Coconut. Oh, this one is produced fragment coconut here. There's one here. one here, people. This one is wasn't pregnant. There's another one here. So 2 coconut now. And we're gonna keep on. Look, there's one coconut here. Newborn. One here. One here. There's one here. Newborn. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Lucky person. There's another one here. Look, 4 coconut. So we find 4 coconut. We find 4 coconut in 1 coconut. So yeah, I think that's enough for the coconut today, because we're gonna come every single day to home to look for coconut. No, we usually come every day to the farm. So we're gonna see coconut every time. So thank you, Mr. Coconut, for giving us the coconut. And we are going back home now. So see you home. So people, it's time to eat plants, eh? Many. Tante at the mulya, bro. Yeah. At the mulya.
Leslie, Lombacus, and no chili.
You?
Yeah.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
That's my
Why?
girlfriend told me no chili.
No, you should eat chili because your girlfriend should see you hot.
Eat chili because he's
Taste, man. Taste. How is it? Good, eh? So yeah, people, we're gonna enjoy our lunch now. And then just please, if you watch the vlogs when it's end, when it's the ads come, please don't skip the ads. Just watch the ads because it's help the YouTube grow up, help us a lot. And yeah, see you next time, people.